Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video we're going to be making a lip balm. So this is going to be a DIY. I'm just sitting down here just kind of introduce the video, like tell you how you're gonna be using this lip balm and who are the people that are supposed to be using it, and also the places you can use it also on, not necessarily only your lips. It also works on different kind of stuff on the skin, for example hyperpigmentation, dark spots. So if you have this problem, you can also use this lip balm that we're going to be making today. It is very sweet on the skin. Overall, you can use it for sunburn, dark sunburn in quotes, not the red sunburn. The dark sunburn is going to lighten your dark sunburn, and you can also use it for dark spots on the face, on the body. It is very beautiful. So now this is the one we made, and we're going to be going to our workstation soon to show you how I made this. So let's apply it and see how it goes. I think I need a mirror. That was fun. All right guys, so this is how it is on my lips. It's so nice. You may want to like just grab me right now and give me a kiss on the lips, right? All right, so let's go to my workstation. Let me show you guys how I made this lip balm. It's a very beautiful lip balm that you want to be putting in your bag anytime you're out. You use this. Anytime you're in, you use this. When it dries off, you apply it again on your skin. Like, you will love it, and it's going to lighten your lips, especially for those smokers that if you smoke or you just naturally have a dark lips, maybe due to UV rays, radiation and all that, all those sunburn. It is going to help you. If you're a marketer, you do more of staying under the sun, or your environment is very hot, this kind of stuff causes dark lips. And also if you use beauty products on your skin, you make use of lipstick that contains high chemicals, those can cause dark lips for you. So this thing is, there are different things that causes this dark lips. So don't blame yourself. All you need to do is prepare this lip balm the way I did right now and start using it every day, every second, every minute. Just feel free and use it anyhow you want to use it on your lips and enjoy while it's lighting your lips and give you this plump, soft, beautiful pink lips. Mwah! Let's go. So that's all you need to prepare that particular lip balm, and trust me, you're going to love it. Like, you are going to love it 100%. So for all the ingredients, don't worry about it. You can get it from my website, any of it that you do not have, or you can get it from any beauty store around you, any organic shop. You can get all the ingredients and make it by yourself. Remember, this does not contain any form of chemical. It's purely organic and it works like magic. So you may want to give it a try. Thank you for watching this video to this time. I love you so much. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel so that always get more videos like this. I also talk about business ideas. I talk about skincare tips and tricks, and also sometimes make vlogs, so you do not want to miss out. Subscribe now, I mean now, and see you next time, guys. Bye.